In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Metabase admin for Bhamni. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach your organization's Metabase site and sign in smoothly so you can access the admin area if your account has the right permissions. First, open your web browser and head to the official Metabase website at metabase.com. This is the home of Metabase, an open source business intelligence and embedded analytics platform. From here, we'll use the standard entry point to reach your specific workspace. On the Metabase homepage, look for the Login option, typically at the top right of the page, and click it. This takes you to the Metabase Cloud login screen, where organizations select their workspace. You should see a list of sites associated with your account. Find and click your organization's Metabase URL. For example, you might see something like raggedyacht.metabaseappapp.com listed. Choose the one that matches your team's environment. If you have multiple, pick the correct workspace you use for Bhamni. You'll be redirected to your Metabase sign-in page. If there's a prompt or a landing screen with a button, click Sign In to Metabase to proceed to the login form. Now start by entering your account identifier. For most users, that's your work email address, though some setups allow a username. Type it carefully to avoid typos. This ensures your account is recognized and sends you to the next step without errors. When you're ready, click Sign In. Metabase will then prompt you for your password. Enter your password for this account. Keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive, so double check capitalization and any special characters. If your organization uses a single sign-on provider, you may instead see an option to continue with that service. Otherwise, just stick with the standard password field. After filling it in, click Sign In again. If your credentials are correct, and your account is active, you'll land in your Metabase workspace. From here, users with admin rights can access the admin settings to manage data sources, permissions, and other configurations, while standard users will see dashboards and questions according to their role. If you encounter an error, verify that you selected the correct workspace and that your email and password are accurate. For security, avoid saving passwords on shared devices and sign out when you're finished, especially if you're using a public or